Hello and welcome everyone. You're watching Learn with Ears. And in today's video, we're going to talk about future simple tense with present continuous tense. There are three ways to talk about future: with will, with going to, and present continuous. So today we're looking at present continuous. Okay, so let's get started. We use present continuous if we know in advance that we are going to do something tonight, tomorrow, next week, next month, next year, etc. It is commonly used in informal situation. Now let's see some sentences of present continuous tense first. I am reading a book. You are going. We are watching a movie. These are some examples of present continuous tense. If you haven't watched our previous video related present continuous, you should watch that video first. That video will help you to understand this video better. So here are some questions. How can we use this to describe a future action? Do we add will somewhere in the sentences? Or do we use going to? Now let's see how we change present continuous tense into future. So here we have a sentence. I am reading a book. If we add tomorrow, it becomes future. I am reading a book tomorrow. Next, you are going. If we add next week, it becomes future. You are going next week. We are watching this movie tonight. We are watching this movie tonight. Okay? Now let's see how to form sentences to talk about present continuous tense for the future. For that, we need subject, to be verb, verb with ing, object, and time reference. Okay? Now let's see example. I am buying a book next week. So here, I am buying a book is present continuous tense. When we add next week, it becomes future. Okay? Now let's see some positive sentences. I am leaving tomorrow. We are coming this week. You're going home tonight. They're meeting my friends later. Now let's see some negative sentences. I am not leaving tomorrow. We are not coming this week. You're not going home tonight. They're not meeting my friends later. Now let's see contractions. Contracted form of I am is am. You are, your. They are, their. We are, we're. He is, his. She is, she's. And it is, its. Now let's see some positive sentences in contracted form. Okay? I'm coming tomorrow. You're going next week. They're cooking tonight. We're leaving on Monday. He's cleaning in the morning. She's visiting us next week. It's working tonight. Okay, now let's see negative sentence in contracted form. I'm not coming tomorrow. You're not going next week. They're not cooking tonight. We're not leaving on Monday. He's not cleaning in the morning. She's not visiting us next week. And it's not working tonight. Or you aren't going next week. They aren't cooking tonight. We aren't leaving on Monday. He isn't cleaning in the morning. She isn't visiting us next week. And it isn't working tonight. Okay? Now let's learn how to give short answers. So here is a question. Are you leaving next month? So the positive answer is yes, I am. We don't use contraction here. And the negative answer is no, I'm not. Next, is he coming tomorrow? Positive answer is yes, he is. And negative answer, no, he's not, or no, he isn't. Next, are we working next week? Positive answer, yes, we are. And negative answer, no, we're not, or no, we aren't. Next, is she buying a house next year? Positive answer is yes, she is. And the negative answer, no, she's not, or no, she isn't. Okay? We can also use question words when, what, where, how, etc. for asking questions. So here we have positive sentence. We are meeting this week. If we want to ask question, we'll say, where are we meeting this week? Let's see one more example. I am leaving tomorrow. Okay, so we can ask, why am I leaving tomorrow? Okay, we can say, why am I leaving tomorrow? So we can use question words also for asking questions. So this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching.